Hey guys, it's episode 5. Guys, look at the Qantas hangar! Look at that! Guys, get ready. This is the first one. We got Air India! I've never seen that plane before. Oh! Guys, something's coming. This is awesome so far. Ooh, what is this? What? It's a Rex. Come on. Cool. Okay, guys, we got a FedEx and Malaysian Airlines. Korean Air, JAL in the back. Air India. We got Guardian Indonesia. Thai. Whatever that blue thing is. Fin Air. Cathay Pacific. There's a lot of airlines. Canada! Air Canada, look! Air Canada! It's Air Canada! No way! Air Canada! I didn't even see this. This is so unexpected. Air Canada! I think I see Southwest, guys. There's also Singapore. In front of the Air Canada! I've never seen that before. Actually, it's taking off. I'm gonna film this. Bro, guys, I think a Jetstar's coming. Wait, what? Excuse me. It's again. Bro, again. Okay, little bro. Guys, Cathay Pacific is coming. Look, it's Cathay Pacific. Yeah, looks like an Airbus to me. Look how cool that is. Wow, something's coming. I already know it. It was a Jetstar, so Cathay Pacific. Oh. Goodbye and hello. Something's coming. Let's see what it is. Probably a Qantas. Oh no, guys! It's the VJet. Wow! American Airlines is landing. Oh my god! VJet, whatever you call it. I don't know what the heck this is. Go park. I want to see that American. Guys, another one. The American Airlines. Oh my gosh! Oh, what the hell? Magpie, baby. Something's coming and it's Air Niugini, I think it says. Guys, it's Air Niugini. Air Niugini. What is this plane? So mysterious. I don't know what the heck this is. Cathay Pacific takes off! Yeah! Guys, update on the bird. Gave the bird some food. The reason why I'm putting this because it's the reason why I have a bird in the video because he has food. I put that food there. The reason why I have a bird in a plane video because these are metal birds. Guys, look, it's a Boeing 747. What's a beauty? And New Zealand is coming. Guys, look, it's a Boeing 737. What's a beauty? Cathay! Wait, Cathay just took off. Who are you, imposter? Who is this imposter? Yeah, Jetstar, run him over. Run him over. It's an imposter. Run him over. It's an imposter. Come on. Yeah! Linguini is coming. It's different. It's China Eastern. Guys, look at that, China Eastern. This is the second time I've seen China Eastern. Look how cool that is. Oh, we thought this was a Malaysian in an early video. There's Malaysian for you guys. It's China Eastern. Oh my God, Linguini! And it's walking next to the Malaysian. Maybe not. New Zealand. Air New Zealand. Get ready for Air New Zealand. Oh wow. This thing. An old style Qantas is coming! Guys, an old style Qantas is coming! Guys, okay. And New Zealand. Okay, guys, look at this. This is an old style Qantas retro. The Qantas logo with weird wings. What the? What is? I've only seen this on Flight Radar. Look how cool that is. Look how old that is. That's so old. What if it's a new one? Let's rebrand it. Wow, that's so cool. Look how old that is. It's old. It's the Qantas with the weird wings. Why does the kangaroo have wings? Get out of here, Rex. Here's a comparison. Oh, flying kangaroo, I get it. What is Bali? What's this? Batik Air is the United Land. Guys, coming is coming. Yeah. Wait. China Southern 787. Look. It says China Southern. Look how cool that is. That's so pretty. Where's United? United is coming, so I have to get out. Sorry, China Southern. We already saw China Eastern, which is kind of cool. Guys, China Southern and China Eastern. China Southern and China Eastern. Where is it? China Southern and China Eastern. China Southern and China Eastern. United is coming, guys. It's probably gonna land in like the next 10 seconds. Is it already here?
Yeah.
It's gonna land. Practically there. Itchy. Guys! Delta's coming! That's probably my dad's plane because he's going on Delta to Florida. Guys. See something moving? Oh, here it comes, guys. United or Confidential it used to be. United and Confidential together equals United. What have I done? What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? Equals Confidential. And New Zealand took off! Qantas! Fly kangaroo! Bounce, boing, boing. Is there anything? Guys, look! It's a Boeing 727! What a beauty! Moving! Guys, Korean Air. Vamos! Guys, it's Vamos! Vamos is here! Mr. Vamos and Little Jet Plane again. Little Vamos. This is cool anyway. Episode is almost finished. Sorry, I'll make a part 6. Guys, look! It's a Boeing 717! What a beauty! Guys, we got the Pepsi plane! It's Pepsi, though. It's literally Pepsi. Okay, anyways, Korean Air. Guys, look how cool that is. Korean Air! Yay! Guys, I'm not wasting this for the Delta. Hey guys, this is the Korean Air. The episode's almost over. I'll film the Delta. Garuda, Indonesia. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Delta's coming, I think. Look how beautiful